Hey, Facebook friends and family, and Grandma. Hi, Gammy. Hey, my grandma says some of you ladies are showing too much of your dirty pillows on my Facebook feed lately, and it's not cool, so I want to button up those tops. So anyway, I'm making this public service announcement video for you all concerning some highway etiquette that I feel has maybe gone unpracticed. Now I know idiot stick's a pretty technical name for it. In layman's terms, it's called the turn signal indicator. I don't know what the fuck it's called. Something like that. The blinker indicator. The blinker turner on. Now, pretty much what a guy wants to do, if you push down, see that? Push down. What will happen is you will get a flashing light right there on your dash. See that right there? Now, what that also does is, and this is the really cool part, that it makes like an indication of what's going on, so the drivers ahead of you know if you want to turn. And this is the really bitchy part about it. It does it in the back. See that? See, so now people in front of you know if you're going to turn to the left. People behind you know if you're going to turn to the left. It's really important. Here's the part that will really blow your mind. You go back to that same indicator, blinker, turner on or indicator thing, and you lift up. See that? Lift up. And now what that does is that puts that green arrow indicating the right direction. And hey, as before, let's go see what that does. It shows people in front of you and behind you that you want to turn to the right. There's just so many things you can learn on the roads these days, and I wish a lot of you people would use those things. They come free with your vehicle. Well, that's pretty much it for now. Stay tuned when tomorrow we will talk about dimming your high beam.